I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. I'm heading over to Starcar right now to take a look at a project they're working on. But the interesting thing about this project is they have a motorcycle, an older one that needed to be upfitted, or refitted I guess really. But it's amazing the amount of cable that you actually end up putting in a motorcycle. It's just phenomenal. Check it out. Isn't that amazing? Now, of course, the other thing to remember is the date. So if you check the date, have a great day.